CFDs, or contracts for difference. They enable you to speculate on the price of indices, shares, forex pairs, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and many other markets, without buying or selling the underlying assets. Here's how to open a position using the IG deal ticket. First, decide whether to buy or sell. You should buy CFDs if you think the price of the underlying asset will rise, and sell them if you think the price will fall. You'll then need to choose the size of your position by selecting how many contracts you would like to trade. The contract size varies by market. For most share markets, the contract size is 1 share, but for many other markets, it is an amount of money per point of price movement. You can check the contract size and what 1 point means for your chosen market in the Information tab. Remember, CFD trades are leveraged, so you only need to put up a small deposit, known as margin, to open a position. For example, opening a position worth the equivalent of 100 Apple shares might only require you to deposit funds worth 20% of the total position. Whether this means your capital can go further, you could lose more than your initial deposit on a given position if the market turns against you. But you can set a stop to manage risk. IG offers 3 types. A normal stop will automatically close a position if the price moves against you. A trailing stop is set a certain distance from the current market price and will follow any positive movements to lock in profits. Both are free, but could be subject to slippage if the market moves quickly or gaps. The other option is a guaranteed stop, which will always close the trade at the exact level you specify. You'll pay a small premium if it is triggered. You can also set a limit to automatically close a trade when the price moves to a more favourable level. If triggered, limits will be filled at your chosen price or better. Once you've double-clicked the details, you can click Place Deal to open your position. Subscribe to IG to learn more about financial trading and markets.